So we can do everything manually. To do it manually, first you need to have Enterprise Edition, and the source database must be at least 11.107. And you need to disable Datadog Broker, or it will mess with all the steps you are executing. Or we have the automated way. The automated way is using DBMS rolling. For this automated way, unfortunately, you need the Active Datadog licensing, and it must be at least 12.102, but we really recommend you to be at least at 12.2, because there are many bug fixes on 12.2. If you go with 12.102, on this method, you need to apply some bug fixes before, okay? So, as I said, it's simple steps if you use DBMS rolling way. You first initiate a plan, then you build a plan, then you start the plan. Finally, you upgrade your database. After the database is upgraded, and for this step, we recommend you to use auto-upgrade. You do the switchover, and you finish the plan. So this is how easy it is using the automated way with DBMS rolling. However, if you do the manual way, you need to perform a lot of checks manually, okay? So all of those more than 86 instructions or checks, you need to do them manually.